In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Timeless Tulips bundle that's in the new mini catalog. So this is the Timeless Tulips stamp set, and this is the punch that punches out the tulip. It also punches out the leaf, and if you turn it upside down, it even looks like a ghost from Pac-Man, doesn't it? Huh? So for this card, I started with a base of Pear Pizzazz, and I've cut out a little scalloped rectangle, super cute. And I'm going to start with some crushed curry, and I'm gonna do the medium-sized tulip. So I'll put one about there, and I'll do one down here. Then I will do my tulips with Calypso Coral. So I'm going to do the little small one right down here next to this one. And then I'm going to do the large one on some separate paper. Let me grab that. I'm just going to go this way. And that's it for the Calypso. And then we'll do the stems with the Pear Pizzazz. And what's fun about photopolymer is that you can bend the stamps any way you like. So you can have the stems be curved. So I'm going to do a little curved stem right here. And then I have the other stem, which curves the other way. Okay, and then we have one big tulip coming up over here. And then we have another one curving the other way over here. And now we can do some leaves. So we've got this nice leaf over here. A little piece of something on it. And then we've got this nice big leaf over here. And I'll do some of these leaves. I'll do a little one over here. I'll do one here. And I think I'll do one down here. All right. So now I'm going to punch out the tulips with the tulip punch. I'm going to slide that in and line it up and punch that out. And I'll do the same with this one. And then I'm going to use some dimensionals to pop these tulips up. And put the two tulips there. So pretty. And then the last thing that I'm going to stamp, let's see, where'd the Calypso go, is Happy Birthday. Just right in the middle here. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to use some of the new ribbon. This is the, what color does it say it is? Daffodil Delight. And this is the ruched ribbon. I'm going to do my little trick where I just cut it off, and then I'm going to place it across the card, flip it over to the back, put some adhesive on the back, and then adhere the ribbon to the back. Like so. Then I'll attach this to the base of the card. And I will put some dimensionals on this as well. I'm going to use these little ones down here. So I can do one on the top and one on the bottom. So I can avoid the ribbon a little bit, hopefully. Right there. And now I'm going to tie a bow with the ribbon, and then I will add that onto the card with the glue dot. So that's kind of my trick to easy tying around a card with a bow, is I just adhere around the card and then tie a separate bow. Let me grab a glue dot, and the glue dots have disappeared. I know I had them because I just used them. Here they are. I've got my glue dot. I can go like this, I can go like this. I'll just keep it like that. I might have to trim it a little bit more. But there is your Timeless Tulips card using the Timeless Tulips Bundle. Here's the punch. So when you purchase them together, they're 10% off. Please go to my website, eStampin.com, and click on Shop Now. Use the hostess code and I will send you a free gift. I also have another sample card, just very, very simple, using the 3 tulips and my favorite purple and green colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this card tutorial. See you next time. Bye.